In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Excel to CSV. This is a simple process in Excel, and it is useful when you need to save your spreadsheet in a format that can be used by other programs, databases, or online platforms. A CSV file stores your data as plain text with values separated by commas, which makes it widely compatible and easy to share. Begin by opening the Excel file that you want to convert. Once your spreadsheet is on screen, go to the top left corner of Excel and click File. This opens the main file menu where you can access saving and export options for your workbook. From there, click Save a Copy. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the F12 key on your keyboard to open the save window more quickly. Both options take you to the same place, so you can use whichever method feels easier for you. Next, choose the folder on your computer where you want to save the new file. This is important because Excel will create a separate version of your spreadsheet in CSV format, so selecting the right location will make it easier to find later. If needed, take a moment to confirm that you are saving it in the correct folder before moving on. After that, look below the file name area for the Save As Type drop-down menu. Click that menu to view the list of available file formats. Excel offers several different options here, so you may need to scroll through the list until you find the one you need. When you see CSV, delimited tumor CSV, select it. This tells Excel that you want to save the file as a CSV instead of a standard Excel workbook. Keep in mind that CSV files are designed for plain data, so certain Excel features like multiple sheets, formulas, or advanced formatting may not carry over in the same way. Once CSV is selected, click Save. Excel may show a message to confirm the file format or let you know that some workbook features might not be compatible with CSV. If that message appears, continue with the save so the conversion can finish. Your Excel file is now saved as a CSV file in the folder you selected. At this point, you can open it, upload it, or share it as needed. That covers everything you need to know.